Okay, so we're going to take the jack out of the back from Toyota Sequoia. This is 2013, second gen. So this is our cover. It's like a 3D branded cover for the rear. It's supposed to fold, but it doesn't do that very well. There's the inner opening. You take this, you go like that. This is an inner pouch. You take this out, put it to the side. There's a little elastic hook thing. It's holding everything in. You just push that down and unhook it from the little hook opening there. Then this comes out. These are your tools, and then you gotta get this thing out, which I don't exactly remember how. I think you gotta loosen this, if I recall correctly, and then that allows it to move out. And then you have a jack.